Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is kind of a different video for me and also something that's really fun. So I wanted to share with you guys some winter must-have products because today I'm going to be unboxing my winter FabFit phone box with you guys. And this is an amazing subscription company, you guys. It's available in the US, Canada, and the UK. And I really love that they're all about female empowerment. They support a lot of women's charities and also women-run businesses, which I'm a woman. I'm all for supporting women. I'm a real girl's girl, so I love that. This box is $49.99, so it's a more expensive subscription service. But number one, let me tell you guys, this box only comes out 4 times a year. And number two, this is not one of those lame subscription boxes where you get little samples that you throw in your junk drawer. These are full-size, full-value products, and the value of the box is usually around $200. So I have partnered up with FabFitFun to share their winter box, which has really cute packaging. And if you guys sign up now and you guys are first time signing up, you guys can save $10 off your first box with my coupon code AmyNicolaXL, which will be in the description bar below. This box is like doing my workout for the day. So heavy. Okay, so the very first thing I see that I am so excited about that I've actually always wanted to try, this is the makeup eraser. This is the original one. It's in pink. And I see people on Instagram all the freaking time using this thing. You just add water, you wash your face, and it takes off all your makeup. Oh, it's so cute. And it's just this little, well, it's actually pretty big. It's bigger than I thought. Welcome to my bathroom and the most hideous lighting of mankind. So yellow, but I just could not wait to try this makeup eraser. It literally says just to wet it and then erase the makeup from my face. I do have eyelash extensions, obviously. I'm wearing lipstick. Let me get a hair tie. So we're gonna see how this works. I mean, I have a full face of makeup on. So I wet it, I wrung it out, and now let's go ahead and see. So it actually works, as you guys can see, and it works really well. The eyebrows literally just slipped off in like 2 fell swoops, so I'm very impressed with this. Obviously, this is something that I would wash pretty frequently, like probably every couple of days, so I tried to use one half now. Then I could use the bottom half tomorrow and then flip it over and use half and half. So I would probably get 4 days out of this, and then I would want to wash it because you don't want to put old makeup on new makeup. But it works, and it's sustainable. Win. Ooh, next up, this is another really exciting thing that feels really, really full. This is by the brand Karuna. I have not seen this brand before, but this is a skincare set. These are natural fiber sheet masks. Living for a sheet mask, and actually secretly Justin lives for a sheet mask too. He will do them. He will not tell you he does them, but he definitely does them. There are 8 masks in here. And they're all super, super colorful. This box has been in my car, so they're cool. And that's going to feel really good on my face. I would really recommend with your sheet mask, I keep these in the fridge or the freezer. And then I put them on because they also give you some depuffing along with all the other benefits too. This mask is by Erno, L-A-S-Z-I-O, Lazio. It's a brand that's made in New York. And this is an exfoliating and detoxing pore cleansing mask. So I do like that most masks are usually, and clay masks are usually really dry. And you guys know they make your skin super tight. This one right here is actually supposed to hydrate at the same time. We also have this right here. This is by LXMI. This is a Nourishing Balm to Oil. So this has shea nut in there, and I am a big fan of shea butter. I personally have been using shea butter and natural organic raw shea butter, melting it between my fingers and using it on my face for hydration because I've been getting eczema under my eyes that flares up from time to time when I'm stressed. And also in the winter, my skin has been extremely dry. I would definitely use this overnight to really hydrate my face because sometimes when you use a balm and then put makeup on top of it in the week, it can kind of make your makeup just slip off your face. We've also got this. Oh, I'm very excited about. This is a really good box, you guys. So this is actually a body scrub. It's a coffee body scrub by the brand Frank Body. I've never tried a coffee scrub, but I do, again, my back has been getting extremely dry. I have some exfoliation that Justin does for me usually because I just can't reach where it is, but I definitely need to exfoliate the hell out of my back. Not only does it have coffee, which stimulates collagen and really tones your skin, there's also almond oil in here, which is great for hydration. Again, I use almond oil in my hair and on my skin in its raw state. It also has vitamin E, which is really good for like stretch marks and fading different marks and scars. And then sea salt, which again is a great exfoliant. And it also says here that sea salt fights breakouts and bacteria. I also have this Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangling spray right here. This is formulated with biotin, which again, biotin helps grow your hair, and vitamin B and C. Basically what you're supposed to do is use this before heat. So it protects from your blow dryer. You guys can tell I'm someone that blow dries and flat irons my hair. I have very curly hair naturally, so I always need a heat protectant to eliminate breakage. OMG. My excitement levels for this is a little much. This is by the brand Cuccio, I guess, Somatology. I have never ever used this brand, but I'm trying so many new brands today. This is actually a hand and body wash with Epsom salt in it. Now, Epsom salts are really good. I take Epsom salt baths sometimes if you have muscle pain and you need to relax your muscles. And I'm not going to lie and say that this is going to be as strong as doing an Epsom salt bath. I don't think it's that strong. But it does seem like a really nice thing to use after a workout. So after I go from the gym, I'm always so sweaty and I usually take a shower just because we're not going to put on clean clothes on a sweaty body. This would be good to reduce muscle inflammation and also just to have me feeling super relaxed. Last but not least, keeping with the cozy theme. Oh my god. You guys, I live for a fur throw. I actually have a gray faux fur throw on our couch. This one could go in our bedroom because we have lighter colors. This is a cream fur throw. This is by the brand Untitled. It says for love not fur, so obviously it's faux fur. It's fluffy, it's furry, it's friendly, it's fresh, and it's faux, and I just want to wrap myself up in this. So yeah, you guys, that is everything in my FabFitFun box. I am super impressed because I know, for example, my fur blanket alone cost $100. And these are full-size, amazing products that I cannot wait to use. I'm really excited to have a cozy, what do you guys call it? Hike, that kind of night to night and use all these products. So like I said, if you guys would like to get $10 off your first box, right now you would be getting the winter box. The next one will be a spring and then a summer and a fall. You don't have to do every month. Of course, you can do rolling months. But if you guys want to save $10 on your first box, make sure you guys use my code that's in the description box. So yeah, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. And I will be back with more videos really soon. Bye guys.